Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of minerals on my channel Food Cyto, today onwards I am going to begin with micro minerals, and in this series today I am going to talk about iron. So first of all, let's talk about total body iron. In human body, the quantity of iron varies depending on a number of factors, namely hemoglobin concentration, gender, body weight and amount of iron stored in various tissues. Iron exists in a number of oxidation states from Fe2- to Fe6+, but it is to be noted that in human body and food, it generally occurs in two oxidation states, that is Fe3+, ferric, and Fe2+, that is ferrous. Talking about its sources, iron is found in one of its two forms, either heme or non-heme. In human diet, the primary sources of heme iron are hemoglobin and myoglobin from the consumption of meat, fish and poultry, whereas non-heme iron is obtained from cereals, legumes, fruits and vegetables. Here you can see the sources of heme iron and non-heme iron along with their iron content. Now let's discuss about its functions. Iron has several vital functions in the body. The general classification of reactions involving iron can be categorized as mentioned here, oxygen transport and storage, electron transfer and substrate oxidation and reduction. Iron serves as a carrier of oxygen to the tissues from lungs by red blood cells hemoglobin. It also serves as transport medium for electrons within the cells. In addition to that, it's an important part of enzyme systems in various tissues. Thus, iron is crucial for survival, growth and normal functioning of human system. Now let's discuss about its deficiency. The symptoms include, as mentioned here, fatigue, restlessness, impaired work performance, disturbances in maintaining body temperature, that is thermoregulation, impaired immune response and adverse effect on mental development. Discussing about its toxicity, an excessive iron burden can be produced by greater than normal absorption from the alimentary canal. For instance, people with genetic defects develop iron overload, as in case of idiopathic hemochromatosis. It is the hereditary disorder of iron metabolism characterized by abnormally high iron absorption owing to failure of the absorption control mechanism. High deposits of iron in liver and heart can lead to cirrhosis, hepatocellular cancer, heart failure and eventually death. Now, here you can see the ICMR recommendation for daily intake of iron for Indians, which in case of an adult man is around 28 milligram per day, whereas for females it is 30 milligram per day. That's all about iron. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.